Hello, welcome to all to this new session of exercise 1.2 of number system. Let's begin. Now our question is question number 3. Show how root 5 can be represented on the number line. If we have to represent on the number line particular number, basically just we have to calculate root 5 in the form of Pythagoras theorem. For example, Pythagoras theorem states that hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Now hypotenuse, for example, if it is root 5, so we can say that h equals to root of p square plus b square. And if h is root 5, so we can directly say that if in a right triangle, if you are talking about ABC, a right triangle, the right triangle opposite of 90 degree, the side is hypotenuse and BC is base and AB is perpendicular. And if hypotenuse is root 5, we can say that base is square of 2 and perpendicular square of 1. Always consider perpendicular 1, and if you are getting base 2, so we can directly write it P is equals to 1, B equals to 2, and hypotenuse is equals to root 5. Hypotenuse is equals to root 5. Now to plot this on number line, first of all we have to make a number line. For number line, actually every real number can be plotted on number line. So if we are plotting root 5 on number line, first we have to make sure that we are marking a point 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For example, if base is 2 unit, we can say that this is our base. As you can see, this is our base 0 to 2. We are taking 2 unit, and if we are taking 2 unit and 1 unit from here, perpendicular, as you know that p equals to 1, so 1 unit here, our perpendicular is there, and if we will join O and this line, so we will get OAB again, as the triangle says OAB. Now OA is our, again we are plotting here OAB, so it can be root 5, OB will be root 5 because base equals to 2, perpendicular equals to 1, and hypotenuse will be again equals to root 5. And if we have to mark OB on this number line, then we have to make sure that we are taking an arc from this point with the help of divider and taking the measurement of OB, and we have to cut an arc here such that it will touch a number line somewhere here, and we can plot this point as D. And if OB will be equals to OD, because if OB equals to root 5, then OD equals to root 5. Hence we can plot the number on number line. So OD is our number which is directly pointed on number line. So hope you will understand this, and hope you will like this video. Thank you.